guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Hey yo guys, welcome back to another video. So today we have a lot of fun stuff planned out, but first we're gonna go and eat. Hey, we got our food!
What's up?
We got our food from Subway because you know what, like this is the cheapest place to buy food from, so Subway. So anyways, we have found a beautiful spot to eat our lunch. Hi guys, so we finally made it to the bowling studio. This is part 2. So first let me introduce the new contestants and contestants from the previous part. So now I shall be introducing them to you. First up, our new contestant, Stuart Cito.
Yo, what up guys? My name is Lil Zannies. This costs like 20 bands. This like 30k.
Man, shut up. Tell me why you're here. Are you gonna win this?
You already know I'm here to.
Bro, this guy is a bit stupid. It's fine. He's a
10 bands.
You want money, you gotta win the bowling challenge.
Do you have food?
I have no food, bro. Unfortunately, I'm poor too. Come, I can help you.
Listen to my SoundCloud, you know, Lil Homie raps.
Yeah, bro. For real, for real.
I'm here to get some.
Guys, listen to his
money.
music.
I need to feed myself. I haven't eaten in 2 days. I love man.
Next up, we have Martin Chiam, an old contestant.
Bro, what's up, bro? You know I need the racks, bro. There you go. Where you going, bro?
Now let's try that again. Now we have Martin Chiam.
Hey, yo, what's up? You already know I need to bowl for those racks, bro. Now I'm running out of cash, you feel me? So I gotta hit those strikes. Yeah.
Hey yo guys, so here I am today to bowl again. But you see, I don't have to win because like these people here with me are losers, and you know I'm gonna donate some money to them. I'm gonna give them a bit of chance.
Wait, Aashish, where do you get the money from?
Bro, like you know, I just made 100k off Bitcoin. You know, like it's so simple. Money is so easy to get. You know.
Yeah, I could tell. You look so rich.
I know, bro. I'm so bloody rich.
Okay, thank you.
We have made it to the bowling arena. Yo guys, see, we just booked the entire bowling alley for ourselves, you know. Bro, this is so pro.
Alright, we have the first bowl of the day, Martin Chiam. Let's see what he can do. Damn! Complete gutter.
So
Nice one, nice one. I like it.
we have Martin again. Oh, that was so close to strike. Nice one, nice one. Good job, good job. So now Martin has 9.
Look at the bunda.
No!
Alright, we got a solid 1 for Aashish with a
Bro,
double
fine.
cheeked up bunda. Oh my
No,
goodness,
you're
mommy.
It's fine, it's
Oh
fine.
puppy.
Another try, bro. Another try.
Puppy. Alright, let's see it, let's see it. I don't know what he's doing.
Yo, that's a strike.
Oh!
Bro. I got it, bro, I got it.
Close enough, close enough. Alright, Aashish Babu. Anyhow. That's a good try.
It's okay, it's okay. Okay, go for another one.
Cinematic shot.
This ball just sucks. See, now that's a strike. I told you that's a strike. Let's go. That's the score now. Now it's Pro Banana's turn.
You guys already know the drill. Follow me on SoundCloud, Lil Aashish. Yeah, next.
Lil Aashish. Oh, yo. Dude. I'm cutting that out. Now can you hit the last one?
Of course I can.
Nah, he's not hitting it. Bro, which means I'm winning now. Bro, it means I'm winning now. Back to Martin. Bro, like that's like straight drain. Bro, like he's the worst of us.
Yeah.
Warm up, bro. Warm up.
First game.
First game. No, that's. That was trash. You suck. Bro, you just said the F word. You got a 5. It's my turn now.
Come on, bruh. Damn, did those cheeks give you some power? Whoa.
Clearly.
Bro, it was the cheeks, bro. Oh my goodness.
Bro, you see like. No, it's fine, it's fine.
Ah, it's okay, it's okay.
Stewart's time. You see, like now I'm winning, you know. That was a good bowl, but clearly not good enough. That's 2. Yeah. Come on, can you hit it?
No, daddy. I don't think I can hit it, daddy.
It's fine, baby girl. You can. I believe in you. Can he hit? Nope.
Oh my goodness, bro.
And that's. I just lost my lead. I just lost my lead. No. Intense focus. Can he claim the lead? Bro. Can he claim the lead? Okay, I think he did. Yeah, sheesh. Good job, good job. Good job. It's fine, I'll catch up. Wait, I was wrong. We are tied. Me and Stuart are tied now. You see, like, I didn't even hit anything for the last one and I'm tied. Martin is like a few behind, 5 behind. Okay, it's your turn now, Martin. Let's go. Yo! Come on, you can hit the last one. Can he hit it? Yo! No! No! Oh! Let's go! Bro, this is... No, please! No!
Looks like it was just beginner's luck.
Dude, 2 rounds and I didn't hit anything for both the rounds. Can he catch up?
If I get this, I'm gonna give Aashish a
Stop it. Oh, yes, let's go. Not bad.
Yeah, I wish it went straight. Just like you.
Sorry for the low quality video. It's fine. It's time for me to claim my victory.
Cat, bro, not happening.
Red is my favorite color. This is my lucky charm.
Yeah, we heard you, bro.
Bro, I'm not getting this shit. Bro, my fingers are stuck. Bro. then again. Okay, damn, that was very good. Okay, the truth is, all of us here suck at bowling. We're just like, yeah, we just throw it there, bro. We don't really know what we're doing. You see, like, we don't really know what we're doing.
Yeah, nice strike, nice strike.
Can he hit it? Yo! He got a strike! Bro, he's so lucky today.
Nah, bro, it's all skill, bro.
Maybe he did improve from the last
I
round.
think it's all skill, guys.
Maybe he did improve from the last time.
Wait, I get to go another.
Hey, bro. Oh.
I think it's gonna be
Damn, straight to the butt cheeks, bro.
Bro, I have missed way too much! Stewart's turn. That's the score, by the way. Damn. Nice one, not bad. Come on, it's just 3 more. They're all aligned beside each other. Let's get that dub. Nice one. Nice one. It's Martin's turn now. Ooh, nice one. Not bad.
I got spare, bro. I need that multiplier, you feel me?
Feel you, bro. Nice one. Since now we're done with the game, we're just gonna do like funny like stuff. It's okay, bro. It's okay. It doesn't matter. Just go. Come on. What? I'm sorry. Hey, we both do together. No, oh wait, you can't. Yo! Nice one. That's the score. Bro, we're also pathetic. Okay guys, we finished up at the bowling alley. It was quite fun. Like we have the winner now. So the winner is Stuart. You know?
Bro, what a lazy vlogger, bro. That's an ass outro, bro.
No, I'm not done with the video.
Finally not gonna be homeless anymore.
Yeah, he's not gonna be homeless because you know what? He just
bro,
won my
running away, bro.
he just won my 100k in bitcoins.
I just want all your Bitcoin money. I don't even have a phone.
Yeah,
So what's
bro.
the point?
You know, like now he just won 100k in Bitcoin. Like that's 2 Bitcoins, you know? Like he's now not homeless. But anyways, now we're heading out of the bowling alley and we're gonna go watch Fast and Furious 9.
With a dark cinema where we can cut each other.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to the cinema to watch. Okay, anyways, see y'all at the cinema. Okay guys, we have made it to the cinema. You see, we have made it to the cinema and now we're waiting for Martin, but like after this we're gonna go and watch Fast and Furious 9 today. Okay guys, we're in the movie now. We're watching Fast and Furious 9.
He caught Cypher, but there was a mid-air attack and she was extracted. It seems...
Okay guys, we just finished up at the movies. Fast and Furious 9 was actually not bad, you know? It was pretty good. Yeah, so like, you guys should go and watch it too. So now, I'm just gonna walk around Suntec City.
Yeah, bro.